Hello, hello, hello. So I realize it has been forever and a day since I've been up here to give you all, my YouTube family, an update. So sorry. Hold up. I'm tripping. Let me get that intro in. Roll it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mo's World. I am Mo, and thank you for coming back for another video. I know it's been a while, my B. But I was graciously reminded by one of my Instagram somebody who follows me on Instagram that's also a YouTube subscriber, that I have been updating Instagram, but I have not been updating YouTube. So thank you to her. So anyways, updates. My hair, of course, right? It's been cut. Love it. Absolutely love it. This is just a braid out. My hair has been cut now for a little over a month, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I don't see myself going back to longer hair. I just don't. Not my longer locks. This has been so carefree, so light, so I just felt like going into this next season of life, of motherhood, and just even where the business is going, it just felt good to have a change, it felt like dead weight cut off, and it just felt so invigorating, just so, I don't know, I hope that makes sense. It just feels really good. I mean, it's the best way to put it. It feels really, really good. And I absolutely love it. Ah! It's so light and airy. And so sassy and classy. So, I have other clips. It's not like I haven't been recording anything. I recorded, but I forgot that I never uploaded. Y'all, charge my mind, not my heart. It's a pregnancy brain, y'all. I thought I uploaded these videos. But anyways, I haven't. And what I'm gonna do is just put them all in this video. So, yeah, you can just see them all. You'll see some clips of my mom cutting my hair, because my mom did do my haircut. She is not a beautician in any shape, form, or fashion, but she killed it like I knew she would. I have a few clips of that. Didn't get as much as I wanted just because I forgot my tripod and there wasn't really many people in the house that could film. And then my mom was a little nervous and didn't want a lot of it on video. But so I have that, and I also have my very first style after I got it cut. So I washed it and did my very first style. It was a braid out for the baby gender reveal, and of course in that video clip as well, you'll know the gender and the baby's name. If you follow me on Instagram, you know all about that already, but yeah, my bad. I got all that, and you're about to watch all of that. So I got y'all. So take care until the next video. Love you all dearly. Mwah. Peace. guys, so if you saw earlier in the video, my mother cut my hair yesterday. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love my haircut. She did a phenomenal job. So this is the next day and I finally washed it. I was lazy yesterday and did not wash it, so I just put a bonnet on so loose hair wouldn't get everywhere. But y'all, can I just say the washing experience was such a delight. It took no time at all. Just to be able to shake it like that, like, it's been so long. My hair has, you just don't realize how heavy your hair has gotten over the time. And I'm able to whip it around and it feels so light and it's so flirty and just, Hubs loves it. That's always an added bonus. So anyways, I am going to put my hair in braids because tomorrow is the baby gender reveal party. It's gonna be low-key, but I want to look cute. So I'm gonna put some braids in it so I have a crinkly look when I take it down tomorrow. So I'm gonna part it down the middle like I always do, which I probably need to do it in a mirror because I think I typically get it right down the middle and I'm pretty good without a mirror, but sometimes I mess up. I think that's down the middle. Okay, cool. So I do that and I just braid it, and then when I unravel them, which I'll put takedown up here as well, I like to do this way, but I still swoop it over, but I braid it down the middle. I never wear a middle part, y'all, but it gets more body when I flip it over. It just cascades so nicely versus me already putting it over and then braiding it down that way. So I've done that forever and it's just always given me the results that I like and prefer. So anyways, let me show you this cut. Can I show you the cut? Let me show you the cut. All right, that's probably better. This is the cut. Other side. And the back. I love the body it has given me, y'all. I'm loving the body. Okay, so this is the last part, the conclusion of this video. I am coming back to you all later than I expected. Last thing you saw in this video, I had braided my hair up the day before the baby gender reveal party. And I didn't braid on camera because I was gonna look in the mirror. That lasted maybe halfway through and I was like, bump this, I'm sitting down on the floor with my rubber bands and I'm just braiding. It didn't take long at all. I just was tired. So, and then the next day I took them out right before, but I was running late, y'all. But if you follow me on Instagram, you saw pictures of the baby gender reveal. So I'm having a boy, woo! We were having a boy, that's exactly what we wanted. So we're super stoked, we're so excited. And let's see, I also showed a picture of how I looked, of course, at the baby gender reveal party with my hair freshly braided, because this is 3 days after the fact of me taking down my braids. So I'm a little late, but I wanted to come up here so I can finish up this video. Okay, so it was a beautiful occasion. It was better than I could have ever imagined. It was so much fun with so much love. But yeah, anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. The first night I did not like pineapple it at all. I just laid on it flat. It was late. I was exhausted. But let me see. That was Saturday night. I didn't do that. Last night I did pineapple it, but it had gotten flatter just because Saturday night I didn't pineapple it and I just laid on it flat. So, but this is how it's looking. Let me get, y'all, I love this Papa San chair, but now that I'm pregnant, I'd be scared I'm about to fall out. So, let me bring you closer to me. All right, this is what my hair is looking like. Absolutely love it in this state. Hope y'all can see it. All right, I ain't getting up because I'm comfortable. And it took me forever to get down. Let me see if I can show you the back. And y'all, I love the flowiness. Like, I mean, y'all saw it before straight. In its straight state before I manipulated it all. I'm going to attempt, y'all. I'm going to attempt to turn around for y'all. Oh, here we go. Don't say I don't love y'all. Okay. Whew. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I don't see myself growing it back out. That's just me. I am thoroughly enjoying it. Since my mom did the cut, she's going to maintain it for me. So I'm so excited about that. And our goal is just to keep trimming it up every retightening. So I'm going to retighten it every 2 months. And she's going to just keep trimming it up so I can maintain the style. And it doesn't grow out. So I'm super excited about everything, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm excited about everything. Oops, sorry about that. I'm excited about everything. I'm excited about knowing the gender of my baby, our baby. His name is Jalen Alexander. So, you know. And of course, if you don't know my last name, it's Majors. So Jalen Alexander Majors. That's his name. So excited. Love him dearly already. Tomorrow I am 21 weeks. And yeah, I'm enjoying myself. New look, new season of life, new chapter. Bringing in this beautiful baby boy in the world soon. Yeah, my due date's in November. So, all right. It's November 17th. Yeah, November 17th is my due date. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I know it was kind of all over the place, but thank you for sticking along for the ride. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Mwah. Bye.